Hey guys, it's Jake here with eTrailer.com. Today we're going to be talking about troubleshooting a dead battery after flat towing. Now we understand here at eTrailer that when you get to the campsite, there's a lot of stuff that you have to set up. And the last thing that we want is for you to have to jump your car when you get there. So today we're going to talk about what are some of the causes of having a dead battery after flat towing and how to fix them. Now the two causes of a dead battery in a towed vehicle are going to be either one, that the vehicle has to be put in accessory mode in order to be flat towed. Therefore, some of the accessories in the vehicle are on while flat towing the vehicle, therefore using the vehicle's battery. And two is going to be the supplemental braking system itself that is installed in the towed vehicle is going to use the battery in the towed vehicle. Now your two solutions for these problems are going to be dependent on what your owner's manual says that you need to do with your vehicle's battery. If your vehicle's battery needs to be disconnected, you'll either need to disconnect it manually or you'll need to install an automatic battery disconnect. If it were up to me, I would go with the automatic battery disconnect because it just installs typically on the negative terminal side, and then you'll install a button on the inside of your cab of your vehicle and you push the button and it'll disconnect the battery from the whole vehicle. Now the only problem with disconnecting your battery is that if your supplemental braking system needs power, which typically they do, you'll have to run a separate 12-volt outlet that is connected directly to your battery inside your vehicle so that you still have some power to be able to power your supplemental braking system. The other solution is going to be adding a battery charge line kit. This is going to be the best option because you don't have to change anything about your vehicle. When you go to install your flat tow wiring kit, you'll just install a charge line that'll go from the positive post of your battery down to the 6 pole on the front of your towed vehicle, and then that is going to receive a signal from the 7 pole on your motorhome. This is going to trickle charge your vehicle's battery while the supplemental braking system is using it when you're driving down the road. This is going to ensure that when you get to the campsite, your battery is going to be charged up and ready to go for you on your adventures. Well guys, hopefully this video was able to help you figure out why your towed vehicle's battery was dying after you're flat towed. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.